morning, everybody. Well, I don't know if I can still do this. It's been a while, but welcome to the daily videos of our trip to Eureka Springs. It is bright and early Monday morning, like 6 a.m. The sun's not even up yet, but Mama is. But anyway,
it's strange. It's dark outside.
We are packing the bikes up. She's almost packed. I'm packed, and we're getting ready to hit the road. We will have daily videos of these every day, so check them out.
Yay!
Anything you want to add?
Nope. I'm excited to get this party started. Oh,
don't leave it in the garage. Take it out and play with it.
There you go.
See you guys on the road. All right, first stop was for gas. $3.97. And we're out of here.
Hey guys, so we're back home and I thought I'd get you guys up to date since he's gonna be working on this for a while. You guys saw us on the highway and he was able to get it started, but he's got no power coming to the gauges here. So he looked into it a little bit further and he's thinking either stator or regulator, the same thing that happened to us when we were in Michigan. So it's gonna be a bit for him to take it apart, test it, see what's wrong, and then we'll get on our way just as soon as we can. But we'll keep you updated.
All right, quick update on day one ride. We made it like 20 miles from the house and my speedometer went dark and I pulled over and the bike died. And I did get it restarted, it blew a fuse, rode it back home, and I lost the stator. So the stator went out. So I have a stator and a regulator on its way here. I'm just gonna replace them both. That way I don't have to worry about either of them. I guess the part's obsolete from Harley. Thanks, Harley. So J&P Cycles, I had to overnight them. They'll be here tomorrow. I'll put them on. That gets us leaving a little later. So we'll be leaving on Wednesday when we were planning on pulling in there Wednesday night. So Wednesday, Thursday, it looks like going to be our riding days. Get there Thursday night. Yeah, the joys of motorcycle riding cross country on old bikes, right? Anyway, at least we weren't very far from the house, and I can fix it. So we just got to get the parts here. As you can see, she's all tore apart and just waiting on me to put her back together. Fun, fun, fun. What a way to start a road trip. All right, day two, same place we started day one. Anyway, for those of you that heard, my bike broke down yesterday, lost the stator. I tried to overnight parts, that didn't work. So Red made a sacrifice last night. I took her all apart. I moved the stator and the regulator over to silver. Got done about midnight last night. It is like 5:45 this morning, and we're going to attempt this 600 and some odd miles today, and then tomorrow we should end up in Arkansas. Are you ready for this? Part two?
I'm ready to get there.
Anyway, so the adventure continues. Here we go. All right, we made it 90 miles before we got stuck in traffic on the highway. According to my maps, there's a wreck up here. It's gonna slow us down by about 12 minutes. Bike's doing good, knock on wood, except there ain't no wood out here in the middle of the highway. Anywho, just checking in with you. All right, first gas stop of this trip is done. Technically the second, right? We stopped yesterday when we left, but first one while we're on the road. It was $3.87 for 93 octane. Are you ready, Mama?
Yeah.
Here we go. We're a little over 100 miles in. It's kind of good to get that first break. It's been a year since we've like traveled like this, so we're old. And I was up till 1:30, getting the bike ready. So far, so good. Made it to Georgia, you know what that means. Had to stop, put on the old helmet. Alright guys, we made it to Tifton, Georgia, and we are stopping for lunch at Chick-fil-A. Check out the Bulldog. How cool is he? We are 371 miles in with like 300 left to go. So, well over halfway there by lunchtime. Not making too bad a time. Bikes are doing good. And yeah, looks like we made it out of Florida. So I guess that's a better start than we had yesterday. Anywho, that's what we're doing. Alright, we're done with lunch. And we are off I-75. No more of that crap today. This ride will be much more enjoyable. Cutting up through. See shopping. Yeah. Alright, we made it to Alabama. We had to stop, I guess, to take a picture. Sweet home Alabama, there we are. Mama Badger getting ready to sticker some shit up. She can't get it up. That happens when you get older. Anyway, we're in Alabama, continuing on. Hopefully we're not going to get rained on. Alright, so we're about 100 miles out and it's pouring where we're going. So we geared up. Here we go. Oh, what fun. Well, we almost made it. We're like 55 miles out. Here's the rain. Oh well. That is a wrap. Day one in the books. Pretty successful day. We dodged the bulk of the rain. Got rained on a little bit, but not too bad as you guys saw. We got our gear hanging up. We're at our friend Shiloh's house. And we got another 600 miles to go tomorrow. So, the bike ran well. Mama's bike ran well. We dodged most of the rain. And we made it 680 miles. I don't know what more we can ask for. Anyway, I know what I can ask for, a bed, because I get up and do this all over again tomorrow. So here we go.